Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to share a location on the Skrill app. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Skrill application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Skrill if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top side of the screen, as you can see, we have the add, transfer, and exchange. In the bottom of the screen, we have the 5 tabs, which are the home, card, crypto, sports, and rewards. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and share a location on the Skrill application. So it is pretty simple, and you just need to go and follow these few steps to know how to do it in no time. So first, I'll open the app and log into your account, as I told you in the start of the video, and tap on your profile icon in the top right corner and select the settings. So basically here you'll have, of course, your settings and everything. Now, when you click on there, what you need to do is, of course, locate the sharing option and toggle it on. If prompted, grant the app permission to access your location. Once location sharing is enabled, Skrill can use your location to provide more relevant information and services. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.